Hey, welcome. My name is Fabio, and in this video, I'm going to share with you how to launch a print-on-demand store and make thousands per month doing it. I'm going to give you the steps necessary for you to launch your store, and if you do it this way, you'll be fine. Before I get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave a comment saying I subscribed. Let me know where you're from, your thoughts about the video. Alright, so I'm gonna hop into my computer right now. I'm gonna tell you what print on demand is and how you can put it all together. I'm gonna share with you websites and everything you need to know to pull it off. Print on demand allows you to sell your customer artwork on products like t-shirts, bags, phone cases, mugs, and more. The best part about it is that you can create and sell products under your own brand. Also, you can completely automate the logistics of the business by choosing to dropship your print-on-demand products. This is where you design products, add them to the store, promote them, and take orders from customers. The orders are fulfilled by the print-on-demand company that prints your designs onto the products, then ships the items directly to the customer. So let's look into how you can start an online t-shirt as an example business step by step. So the first thing you need to do is you need to choose a niche. Because one of the most important parts of building a successful t-shirt or whatever it is that you're printing is the ability to stand out. And the best way to do this, it's choosing a specific target audience or an interest group of people that are looking for something that they are really wanting a lot. One way of finding a specific niche, you can go to Amazon.com and you can go to the categories and see their categories and look at the products there. Look if people are buying the products so you can evaluate more. Also, there's this tool called Audience Insights Tool by Facebook where you can do a good research there and find many niches. I would always recommend you see what is it that people want and then offer them that, right? With the t-shirt design, and it always consider your own interests, because sometimes it is absolutely okay to trust yourself. Once you narrow down your niche, you want to create a business plan for your t-shirt company or whatever you're printing, right? Like you want to have the goals and the different opportunities to sell your custom t-shirts or whatever you are selling. Then you want to source quality materials and see the different t-shirts printing options out there, which I'm gonna share with you in a moment. But it's always good if you're building your brand, it's always good to focus on quality for the success of it. It's always recommended to order samples so you can make an informed and final decision on what products you're going to go for it. Then you want to create your own t-shirt designs. There are a couple of websites to get ideas and to get even t-shirts designs. And here are the websites. This one is Zalzi. By the way, I'm going to leave all these links for everything below in the description so you can tap into them. Then we have this one right here, which is reddouble.com. You can get so many ideas here, right? Also, you have snorktees.com. And you have kickstarter.com as well. I would also recommend you go to googletrends.com and see what topics are people currently interested. That way you can focus on what people want. Also, what you could do is you can hire a designer. There's this website, this one right here, drigblee.com. You can find great talents here, people that do all kinds of designs. You also have this one, behance.net. You can search for creative ideas here, and you can actually see the creators of these arts, and you can get in touch with them so they can design for you here. Also, freelancer.com, there's a lot of designers here. They can do it for you. Also on fiverr.com and also on upwork.com. If you get stuck on finding a designer, you can always purchase pre-made designs. Here are a few websites where you can tap into designs where you can buy. This one is designios.com. Then you have t-shirt-factory.com. You got creativemarkets.com and graphicreaver.net. The next step is you need to mock up your t-shirts. So you need to add the like to a person, right? The design of the t-shirt. You want to have it on a person or with a photo of yourself, and this can be done well on Adobe Photoshop. And if you're good with Photoshop, there's two websites where you can grab t-shirt mockups. One is the graphicreaver.net, this one. And then also you have this one, mockupworld.co. Again, this is for, I gave you a t-shirt as an example, but you have all kinds of items where you can do mockups here, okay? And if Photoshop isn't for you, because it's more of an advanced tool, there's are actually web-based mockup softwares that will let you do this. So here are three of them. One is at printful.com/generator. And then I'm coming here to the men's clothing, but there's all kinds of categories you can tap into. Then you have here printify.com, a mockup generator, which you can use online. And then you have placeit.net. Here you can do it as well. Also, you can go to fiverr.com if you don't want to do it yourself, and just search for t-shirt mockups or whatever mockups you want to do. And there's people on Fiverr that will do it for you. Then you want to validate your designs. Before you invest a lot of money in your business idea, you should verify that there is a market for it, an interest in your designs. Some ideas for you to validate your design ideas is on your personal social media accounts. Like you could post on Facebook profile, you can post on specific niche Facebook groups, you can post on Twitter and other social networks. You also Reddit is also a good one. Also, you could be testing on crowdfunding sites. Now that you have all of that ready to go, what you need to do is you need to set up your online store. So the very first thing you need to do is you need to find a print-on-demand company. Here are 4 good ones. So the first one is printful.com. This website will ship the orders to the final customer, so you can create and sell custom products online. They have t-shirts and all kinds of products you can print on, mugs, phone cases. Then we have printify.com. It's another one where you can create customer products. Then techlaunch.com. This is another one you can do. They have so many kinds of products where you can print whatever you want and they will ship it. And then we have goten.com. So the final step is set your online store. There are 3 options that I'm going to share with you. Number 1 is using Shopify. They have these 3 plans over here. And with Shopify, the websites that I share with you that you can do print on demand, you can add these websites here into Shopify and add the products with a couple of clicks. So it's very easy to do. The second option is utilizing, that's what I use, is called Builderall. This right here with $79.90 per month. The good thing about this tool is that you get WooCommerce, which is very similar to Shopify, but you can add the products with a couple of clicks. So it's very easy to do. The second option is utilizing, that's what I use, is called Builderall. This right here with $79.90 per month. The good thing about this tool is that you get WooCommerce, which is very similar to Shopify, But also you get the ability to promote single products with a super checkout, and it's very customizable. You can do a lot. And the good thing about this one tool is that you can build websites, you can build email sequences, you can build, it's just very complete, and you have it all in there. Okay. And then the last option would be using Bluehost, using WooCommerce, right? And this is $10.97. That's the cheapest option. And also you get WooCommerce installed, which is what you need to be able to create your store. Of course, when you sign up through this, it's going to give you the steps necessary for you to do it. By the way, all these links will be in the description below, so you know where they're at. Then what you need to do is you need to promote your products. You can run paid ads. You can build a following on YouTube, on TikTok, on Facebook. You could reach out to bloggers to do promotions for your store. There are many ways to promote your products. And by the way, here on my YouTube channel, I have many videos on how to get traffic into your offers. There you go. I hope that was helpful. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to smash the like button. And if you know somebody that will benefit from this video, please share with them. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, as I do videos every Tuesday and Friday about making money online and helping you become unstoppable. Don't ever forget how amazing you are. Always believe in your intuition. Look within yourself. You have all the answers within yourself. Let your body, let your mind, your intuition mind decide for you. Logic, sometimes it's not the best approach. We have to think with our body as well. Because you see, if we can eat food and it can transform into this, then imagine the intelligence of your body. And what I mean your body, I mean think within yourself. That has been helping me a lot. That's why I am giving it to you and just sharing with you that it is freaking powerful when you tap into yourself and when you believe in yourself as well. Have a blessing day. I appreciate you, and I will see you next time. Cheers.